Teaching technical skills students need to succeed in a workplace has become an important component of high schools across the state. But having the skills to work in a trade is only part of the equation. At North Branch Area High School, the newly formed Advanced Welding Company takes a unique approach to addressing a multitude of work-related issues.
The Advanced Welding Company is an innovation simply from who's teaching the class. We have Mr. Tobin, who serves as our Director of Buildings and Grounds, and he has been doing work in the trades for over 30 years.
The AWC is set up for real-life, real-time exposure and to run parallel with the needs that are out there right now.
The Advanced Welding Company is a class, but we treat it as a company. It's more set up as you punch in rather than coming to class. You're getting paid rather than getting a grade. I like being called an employee because it makes me feel involved and like I have a responsibility and more ownership of what I'm doing.
Some of the traditional ways that we have grown our program are through different employers and industry partners coming in to be guest speakers, coming in with students and having conversation about what it's like to do different aspects of the work, or internships. All of those are opportunities that we look for from our industry partners to be part of the solution.
My role is to help the students blend education and a career path for the future and work with industry partners to gain opportunities.
I started working at Regal Machine on my beginning of my senior year at high school, getting paid as an internship while receiving credits through high school. Over the summer, I'm going to keep working there. I'm going to go full-time working through the summer, and then I'm going to go to college. We
are constantly being inspired by our students and their excitement for the future and their plans for the future.
We live in a growing area where we have current partners, and we know that new partners are going to be coming our way within the next 5 to 10 years. So we are very responsive, and we take to heart that what our industry partners need is what we need to be designing our program around, so that in turn our students are set up in the best way possible for strong employment opportunities.
Beyond welding, Mr. Tobin is teaching us how to be good employees.
You learn skills like how to tolerate your fellow coworkers if you don't get along, and how to be understanding of someone who's trying to learn. It might just take them a little longer than someone else. And they teach you responsibility. If you mess up, you gotta say, that was me, I'll get it next time. And they teach you a hard work ethic. You gotta work hard. If you want something, you gotta work for it.
Employers in the area are going to have a person that has been work hardened, that they're going to understand the roles, they're going to understand the obligations, and the employer is going to spend less time training.
It's not just short-term solutions, it's how do we connect that passion of a student that is looking to go into that area, into that field, so that the work they're doing to recruit employees is connected with the training that they're doing with employees, so that they're already on their way to take advantage of the great students that are going to be future employees for them, and building that relationship and training right into the high school experience, so students are well on their way to be part of that growing company as they graduate.
Word is getting out about this unique offering at North Branch Area High School. U.S. Representative Pete Stauber toured the program recently, saying, "This should be a blueprint for what schools ought to be doing, not just in Minnesota, but across the country." North Branch Area Public Schools, a district at the forefront of educational excellence.